Hey everyone, welcome to this Connecteam tutorial for employees. So Connecteam guys is an all-in-one employee management app. It is designed to help the business streamline communication, scheduling, time tracking, and task management. So in this tutorial, we will cover how to set up and use this website as an employee, including clocking in and out, so viewing schedules, communicating with your team, and more. So the first thing you need to do here is to log in to your account here. So you need to open the Google Play Store if you are using an Android. And if on website, you can visit their website here. So here guys, you need to enter your work email or your mobile number and the password. So take note guys, if you haven't received an invite from your employer, you need to ask your manager to add you to the system. So here guys, using the time clock feature, you can navigate to the time clock feature. So here, they have their time clock tab in the left hand menu. So you need to click clock in to start tracking to your work hours. So as you can see here, you'll be able to see different options here. The overview, your activity, and then the users, the smart groups, and then for communication. So as you can see here, you can add users here. You can also add admin. You can also add a task here. So if you're an employee guys, you need to click log in to start tracking your work hours. And if required, you need to select the job, the project, or task you are working on. And of course, when you're finished guys, you need to click log out to end your shift. You can also add notes or attach files. So if this is only needed, and before submitting your time entry. So you can also have a break here guys. So in order for you to click the start break, and you can also click end break when you return to work. So you can also view your timesheets. So you just need to go to the timesheet section and then review your log hours, break, and overtime there. And of course, you can submit for approval if required by your employer. So on checking your work schedule, you're gonna click on the schedule tab and then view your assigned shift for the week or the month, and then click on a shift to see details like location, time, and assigned tasks. So you can click on your scheduled shift and then select request swap or request time off. So you can add a reason and submit your request. And on accepting or declining shift offers, if open shifts are available, you will receive a notification and click on the shift offer and select accept or decline. So you can also use the chat feature here guys, so you can join team chats or start a private message. You can also have here the announcement and updates. Here you can view important company news, policy changes, and event announcements. You just need to go to the update section, and you can also react or comment here if it's allowed for them to acknowledge the messages. So here you can access assigned tabs. So you can view assigned tasks and their deadlines and mark tasks as completed once finished. So you can also fill out forms here. You just need to navigate to the form section and select the required form. For example, daily reports, incident reports, or the surveys. So here, that's a complete overview of how to use this website to connect team on the web as an employee. So by following this tutorial, you'll be able to clock in and clock out, check schedules, and communicate with your team. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to explore additional features to make the most of Connecteam. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.